Good morning, honeybees. So today we're going to revise the subordinate conjunction that we took yesterday. So let's start. What are the subordinate conjunction? First, a conjunction is a word or words used to connect two clauses together, words such as although, because, or when. And the subordinate clause is a part of a sentence that adds additional information to the main clause. A subordinate conjunction is simply the word or words that is used to join a subordinate clause to another clause or sentence. The subordinate conjunctions are: for comparison, we use than, rather than, whether, as much as, whereas. For time, we use after, as soon as, until, whenever, now, that. For concession, we use though, although, even though. Relative pronouns: who, whoever, whom, whomever, whose. For reason, we use because, since, so that, in order to, or as. Condition: if, only if, unless, provided that, assuming that. For places, we use where, wherever. Some relative adjectives: that, whatever, which, whichever. For manner, we use how, as though, as if. So some examples: he was annoyed. The train had stopped. These are two sentences, and each one of them has a separate meaning. When we used because, the two sentences became a cause and effect for each other. So he was annoyed. Why? Because the train had stopped. So by adding because, we are linking the subordinate clause, the train had stopped, with the main clause, he was annoyed. So this is the main clause, then the subordinate conjunction, then the subordinate